This is question 12 from exercise 15.10 in Project Maths 2. We have to find the point of intersection of the pair of lines x plus 2y minus 2 equals 0 and 2x minus y minus 2 equals 0. A point of intersection will be a point that has an x and a y value that could be substituted into both of these equations and satisfy the equation. By satisfy the equation, I mean you would have the same thing on the left of the equals as you do on the right. So what we're essentially being asked to do is solve these simultaneous equations. So we're going to call the top one here equation 1 and the bottom one equation 2, and then we're going to go from there. In order to solve out a simultaneous equation, we need to get the same number but different signs in front of either both of the x's or both of the y's. And the way that we're going to do that in this particular case is we're going to multiply equation 2 by 2. So for equation 1, we're going to make no change. It's just going to be x plus 2y minus 2 equals 0. But for equation 2, it's going to be 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals 0. And we draw a line under this and we add all the terms down. X plus 4x is 5x, 2y minus y is 0, and minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6, and that is still equal to 0. So we have 5x minus 6 equals 0, which means that 5x is equal to 6, so x is equal to 6 over 5. So that's our x value. And now we're going to take that x value and we're going to put it back into one of the original equations, and we're going to get a value for y out for that. It doesn't matter which one we do because we should get the same value for either. So I'm just going to do this with equation 1. So equation 1, instead of x plus 2y, we're going to have 6/5 plus 2y minus 2 equals 0. Our best bet from here would be to clear out this fraction. And the easiest way to do that is to multiply everything by 5. So 6/5 by 5 is just 6. 2y by 5 is going to be 10y. And minus 2 by 5 is going to be minus 10. And 0 by 5 is 0. So it's still equal to 0. And then if we tidy this bit up, it's going to be 10y. And then 6 minus 10 is minus 4. Still equal to 0. So we get 10y equals 4. So y is equal to 4/10, or y is equal to 2/5. So now we have our y value and we have our x value. We just have to put them together to form a point. So it's going to be 6/5, 2/5. And that is the point of intersection of those two lines. And that is that.